How to create Regions Bank online account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. Here I am with Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for regions.com. Soon after entering, you will be taken to the official web page of Regions Bank. In the right hand side, you can see there is a text box for log into your account. Since we are trying to enroll in a new online banking, you have to go for enroll in online banking option at the bottom. After that, you'll be able to see this interface over here. In order to get started, the first option is customer information. For that, you need to enter your social security number over here. If you don't have social security number, you can go for I don't have a social security number, by which you'll be given another options and you can continue this process. And in this text box, you need to enter your email address with which you want to create your Regions online bank account, and you have to confirm your email by checking mark over here. And at last, you need to enter your phone number. After entering, you need to select the type of bank account that you want to create. That can be personal, business banking, or personal and business. After selecting, you have to go for further process. You have to select which type of personal account that you want to have. That can be either checking or savings or other Regions account only. After doing that, you have to choose a method to verify your personal accounts. That can be either ATM or check card number or also customer number. If you don't know where can you find your customer number, then you can go for what is my customer number, where you will be helped to find yours. After selecting, you have to go for further process where you have to enter your either ATM or check card number in this text box, and you need to enter your PIN number and CVV also. You also have to enter your expression there, and you can go for next option and you'll be taken to another step again. The second step is about online banking access. Once you fulfill all the informations and process in step number 1, then only you will be taken to step number 2. And finally, in the third step, you will be confirmed. For confirmation, you will be verified through your email address and phone number that you have entered in your information. And once you are verified, you will be able to create Regions Bank online account. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.